Hi everyone. So today I'm going to demo Sisense. So this is the landing page for Sisense. We have Analytics, Pulse, and Data tabs. One admin tab is also there, but as it is a trial version, we don't have admin tab over here. So first I'm going to show you how to add data to your Sisense. So there are three ways to add data and model to your data Sisense data source, Sisense BI tool. So first is Elasticube. In Elasticube, you are going to upload your files to the Sisense, or you are going to extract the data from your data source. Second is Live, where you are going to directly connect Sisense with your database, and you're going to perform queries on data sources. That will eliminate the extraction. Third is import model. Here in import model, you are going to, if you have already created any model for Sisense, you can directly import that. We will use Elasticube. So in Elasticube, I have already created one data source, that is Sisense trial or data model. That is a Elasticube one. Now I have to add the data. I'll click on this data tab. There are multiple connectors available by which you can connect with Sisense with your data sources. Okay, for me, I will use CSV. You can have a path from a server, or you can directly upload files. I'll say file upload. So these are the files which I have selected, CSV files from my local data source. And as it is a draft version, so I have to, these files are already present. I have already uploaded them. Now we have to select which files we need to take to the second step. So I'm selecting all of them, and I'll click on next. So see, all files are here. I'll click on all. I'll say done. It is loading all the files. Now it is asking me for the relationship. So what I'll do, I'll select nation table and region table. So you will see in nation table there is N region key, and in region there is R region key. So on this basis, this relationship has built. I'll say done. Then I'll again click on relationship. I'll select orders table, and from here I'm going to select region table. So no key is there. So I'm going back. I'm going to select nation. There is cust key. So I'll need to go to the customers then, and I'll orders table have O cust key, customer table have C cust key. I'll put it as done. So they are also having a relationship. Now I'll select customer and nation. So it is having C nation key, it is having N nation key. So my relationship is built. I'll put done. I'm not joining other tables for the demo purpose, but yes, we can create the data model in such same way. I'll click on, then we have to click on build. Building is creating all, means it is creating all the relationships and everything. Okay, and it is also finalizing the tables whether they are lying alone or they are joined to your data model in with any relationship. So it takes some time. If you want to do unbuild the changes, you can also do that. Okay, now from here it is asking me if I want to create a dashboard. Yes, I'll just create a new dashboard. It has taken me to the Sisense Analytics tab for creating dashboard. The title, the data source, it is saying yes, Sisense trial, and the title for the dashboard, it is saying Sisense trial. Yes, I'm saying please create with the same name. See, my trial version is created or my dashboard has been created. I'll say select data. So I'll say, for example, I'll say customer name, and second, I'll say from orders table, I'll say count unique order key. Okay, I think this is not working. I'll cancel this. I'll delete this. So customer name are here, and I can say, please give me sum of order key. But sum of order key is also not the valid thing. So I'll delete this. I'll again go to add data. I'll say it is showing me rest of the tables, but these are not joined. My joined tables are customer and then nation, then orders and region. So we have to remember these. If we don't want to join them, we can delete those tables from our model as well. Then they are not going to come up over here. I can say, okay, I'll say order status, all items. Let it load. It will take some time in loading that. So it is taking some time in loading. So I'll not waste that. We can use this. So I'll say create then. After creating, this is the table. So the data is large. It is showing me that rows are in this much of. Okay. Now this widget, I can also add one more widget. I'll say select data. So it is taking some time. S- We can change the data source from here. We can edit this. Then we can download CSV, PDF file, Excel. Okay. And here I can add filters. For example, I want to like region is connected or the nation is connected. I'll say N name. I'll click this. I'll say for this, give me for India. Okay, so the filter is set. Now it is filtering out my data for India. You can directly click on PDF. It will give this way the PDF for particular my Sisense dashboard. Download, save, you have multiple options. Also, you can add this. Yeah, you can select this color scheme. There are multiple features. Multiple filters can be added. If you want to add a text box, you can do this way. Like, and you want that this text box should come at the top. Then you have to drop this. It will go sideways, but you want it at the top. So you can bring this table at the down. Now text box is taking a lot of space. You can go here and in this way you can adjust. Okay. For example, you want to add an image, you go over here, just simply to snipping, and you want to show this, copy, and just paste it. So in the text box now you are having that image. You can resize it or anything you can do. So in this way you can add the images as well. So Pulse is a section where you can uh, add multiple widgets from different dashboard at one place. For example, you want to create a high level dashboard for different people. So you can just simply add multiple widgets from there. For example, I want to add this. Okay. So my table is loading as it is a trial version. That's why it is taking a lot of time. I can delete this filter. Might be then it will work. Okay, so from Pulse, by that time. So I'm not able to see the widget menu as well, so that I can add it to Pulse as it is a trial version, but yes, we can easily do that. So that's pretty much all from my side over on Sisense. Thank you all.